Ever clicked play on your Steam game and nothing happens? You click it again and again, but it just won't launch. Don't worry, I've got you. Let's fix this in under a minute. First, open up Steam and go to your game library. Now, find the game that's not launching. Click on the settings gear icon. Then click Manage and now select Browse Local Files. This will open your game's installation folder. Now here's the trick. Close Steam completely. Yes, fully close it. Once that's done, go back to the folder and start opening the game files one by one. In my case, the first file didn't work, but when I tried the second one, boom, the game launched. You can also check any subfolders to see if there is another launcher file. Once you find the correct file, run it, and if the game opens, you're good to go. And just like that, problem solved. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe for more quick fixes like this. See you in the next one.